The water center panel is located inside the rear cargo doors. It has a cold and hot water feature, and you can hook up an outdoor hose to it. It also has an extra water pump switch. You'll know the water pump is turned on if the light is illuminated. There are an additional 2 water pump switches in the interior of the coach as well. This switch operates the exterior utility light, which is found on the driver's side of the van. You also have a city water fill and a tank flush port. The center of the water panel contains 4 color-coded levers. These levers are noted in many different positions on the illustrations. These 4 color-coded levers are used to perform a multitude of functions. As long as you know what function you're doing, you match the color-coded levers to the diagrams. The Travato comes equipped with an outdoor hose to hook the hose up to the quick connect located on the water control panel. It's right in between the hot and the cold water. Push firmly, you'll hear it click. Remember, in order to access the water, you do need to make sure that the water pump is turned on, and then you would have access to cold or hot water. To disconnect the hose, simply push in the collar and pull out the end.